Good evening, friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Trend Spotter Shubham. I am back with another exciting video on market analysis for tomorrow, where we will see how markets performed today, whether they performed as per our analysis, and how are they expected to perform tomorrow. Before we start with our analysis, make sure to join my Telegram channel Trend Spotter Shubham, where you will get live market analysis, buy sell recommendations, answers to all your stock queries, and much more. So without wasting much time, let us start with today's analysis. Let us start the analysis with Nifty first. But before we do that, as always, let us take a quick recap on how we had expected markets movement for today in our last analysis video and how accurately once again the markets moved today. We will not look for an upside. Instead, at around 17,300 region, we will look for a downside. This is because 17,300 is a very strong supply zone, and also because around this region, we will have a very low risk and a good reward if market actually starts falling once again. Therefore, our view for tomorrow will not be on the upside. It will either be on consolidation or it will be on the downside. And so we see our analysis for Nifty once again proved to be absolutely correct and spot on. Nifty performed exactly as we had expected it to. We were expecting two things from Nifty for today. One was that Nifty might face selling at around 17,300 levels. Sellers might get activated, and we saw Nifty forming a top at around 17,285 to 90 regions and gradually closed below 17,200 regions. So a downside of about 100 points from day's high was seen in Nifty today. And second, we also expected Nifty would consolidate and be on the downside for today. Nifty consolidated by almost end of today. It consolidated in a range of 17,220 to 17,250, and by the end of the day, it fell well below 17,200, closed around 17,180. So both our expectations were met today itself. Now let us see what Nifty can do tomorrow and what do we expect from Nifty. Nifty's tomorrow movement will largely depend on what kind of opening we see in Nifty tomorrow. If Nifty opens gap up or it opens flat, we might see continuation of selling pressure by tomorrow because the sellers are already activated in this region now. The temporary top has been formed. Also, tomorrow is monthly expiry, and we might see many long unwinding happening in the Nifty, which can also bring in choppiness and might bring in some nervousness in the market. So if Nifty opens flat or gap up, we might see a slight selling pressure in Nifty, maybe towards 17,100 level tomorrow itself. However, if Nifty opens gap down or maybe near 17,100, we might see Nifty bouncing back immediately, and it might enter into volatility region, in choppiness region, and we might see heavy and high upswings and low swings throughout the day. So a lot depends on what kind of opening we see. If we see a down opening, we should expect Nifty to hold up the level of 17,100, and in any case, if 17,080 and 17,100 are broken tomorrow, Nifty might even test 17,000 levels, because this region has still not seen a very good base formation. This is a very important, crucial region of base formation, and this has still not seen a very good and strong base formation as we have seen over here. This region has seen a very strong top formation, but this has still not seen a very strong base formation. So if Nifty needs to strengthen this region, it still needs some more time to spend in this region, and it might look to not only test 17,100 but even break this region and come all the way till 17,000. Therefore, for Nifty, the range will be at 17,000 to 17,300 for coming few days. Now, will this come tomorrow itself? That is very hard to say, but if Nifty breaks 17,100, then we might see 17,000. However, 17,100 for the time being looks like a very good support for Nifty, and we might see some choppiness tomorrow from 17,100 to 17,250 to 280 region. Now, what can we expect from Bank Nifty for tomorrow? Now, Bank Nifty has again entered into this region of consolidation in which it had spent a lot of time previously. And this has happened because Nifty showed weakness at the top. Nifty managed to show any kind of strength, and because of which Bank Nifty has faced a pressure once again and has entered in this range of consolidation. However, this range of consolidation is something that Nifty would also like to see at around levels of 16,900 to 17,000. There is this kind of consolidation really helps an index like Nifty and Bank Nifty make stronger moves in future. And therefore, Bank Nifty is again preparing itself to spend some more time in this region because Nifty is looking weak at the top at around 17,300 level. So for Bank Nifty, levels of 34,600 to 700 is very crucial. It can remain range bound in this level for tomorrow in between 34,600 and 35,000 level. If Bank Nifty breaks below 34,600, it can test even 34,000 level. However, if Bank Nifty opens flat or slightly gap up, it is highly likely that it consolidates within this region or on the top half of this region for tomorrow. So that is the view for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is still looking a bit strong because of the base is a better base than compared to Nifty. And for Nifty, we will have a possibility of 17,100 tomorrow, whereas 17,000 is also a very important support for Nifty for tomorrow. In Bank Nifty, 34,700 to 35,000 can be a range for tomorrow to look out for. That's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you find my videos helpful and exciting, do make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to join my Telegram channel, Trend Spotter Shubham. Thank you.